holding the box. Let me hold the box. You wanna hold the box? We can hold it together. It's like a fish. In today's episode, we're going to be making the Supra just that much louder. Why am I even holding this box? You can hold the box. We did this HKS catback exhaust. It really didn't make the car any louder at all. It's still extremely quiet and it just doesn't do it justice. So today we are going to attempt to make the car just that much louder. Now I'm going to let you guys in on the mystery that we were all talking about off camera. Why don't you follow me over here? This car's downpipe is in two pieces. So you can see here, this is the new exhaust piece that we put in, and then we have a stock exhaust from here, and it goes to here, and then it stops, and then it gets to your downpipe. We think there's like a cat here. I don't know if this is a cat or a resonator. I originally ordered Apexy downpipe. It was like an up pipe and a downpipe. It was two pieces. I ordered it, and they like pretty much said, oops, sorry, we screwed up our inventory. We don't even have that in stock. Rip burrito on you. So they refunded me, and then I ordered the HKS one. Now this doesn't come in two pieces. This comes in just one piece called the downpipe. So I'm honestly not sure if it's the whole thing, the front piece or the back piece. Hopefully it replaces everything so we can get max loud. Let's just get over the mystery, open the box, and find out what's inside.
I mean, if you look at it, Tej, and I hold it up to the thing.
Oh no!
That's it. No? It has to be.
It could be.
It comes up short unless there's two pieces in here. 100% comes up short. Let's open this up and see what's up. Good luck, everybody.
Oh, no, that's
Rip.
What is this, 2.5? Does that look like 3-inch to you, Cal?
Oh, no.
No.
You don't know Japanese. Stop. Don't even try.
I mean, it will definitely get rid of...
yeah, you're gonna get rid of this, so I mean, it'll add some noise, but you just have this massive cat right here.
Yeah.
There you go.
There you go. Hopefully this actually gets us some volume. Yeah. That diameter is pretty small. I don't know if this is 3-inch or 2.5. 3. Yeah, it's a cat. You're right.
Oh, it's 100%.
That's a fat cat, dude. That's an El Gordo.
That's a Bagheera.
El Gato Gordo.
Oh.
It's a fat cat. Did I say it backwards? El Gordo de Cat. How do you say cat?
No,
it's a fat cat.
You did it.
So coming off from the turbos, we have another cat. So this is, I guess, the downpipe that's really small. So we'll definitely have to get another one of these on order. But we're now removing that cat and that like 2.5-inch exhaust. So hopefully this can open it up a little bit. We can get a little more volume. Let's throw this new pipe on, put the gaskets on, and turn it on. Sadly think you could be correct. I mean, look, so let's talk about this. We went from a 2.5 to a 3-inch exhaust.
Okay.
And we ditched a pretty large cat. But we still have arguably the most constricted piece of the exhaust on the car.
Biggest.
I think it's gonna be louder, but not the loud we're looking for. Moment of truth, we're gonna do a cold start. We'll do a couple revs, and we'll take it out to the street. Fingers crossed, we get a little more 2J sound out of this car. Definitely louder.
A little bit more girth.
Definitely a little more growl to it.
I am afraid. Now I'm afraid that it's gonna be like the S2000.
That's a pretty good growl, man. I'm actually a little surprised. They got a little more sound than I thought.
Just a good little.
That was good.
I thought like I heard a little like pop towards the top of the RPM range.
No, it's popping. It's for sure pop.
Is it really?
It spit. It like vomited. He missed it, but it definitely pops.
That's not bad.
Smacked
Pop in the back seat, brother. You of all people could fit in this car.
That's not big. That's smaller than the BRZ.
That's great for you. You need to get.
If I don't fit, I'm leaving.
What makes it not good?
Because I do the thing that you do in the BRZ. You have to spread, and I'm small. I'm straddling your seat right now. I'm spread. I'm so spread.
Oh, thing's fast.
It's definitely, it's still not like, I wouldn't say loud. I think the biggest thing we gained from that was more of a growl of anything. I'm gonna give Dot the front seat. I kind of want to hear this thing fly, see if it sounds any different from the outside, because last time we did this, it got a little bit louder, but it wasn't anything substantial. And like we said, we weren't expecting like crazy noise out of this, but I thought I would get at least a couple flyby clips so you guys can get a better idea of what the car sounds like. Sounds good. You definitely hear the growl. A lot more on the outside than I think you do on the inside, but it's not annoyingly loud. If you're on the freeway, you're not gonna be annoying anybody that you're driving. You most definitely won't be annoying yourself. Still needs more loud. I've been noticing lately the car up top of the RPM range, the car is breaking up a little bit. If any of you guys would have any kind of suspicions or ideas as to why, I think the fuel pump is going out on the car. That was something I noticed when I originally got it. I'm thinking that could potentially have something to do with it. Maybe the fuel delivery is kind of lacking a bit. Maybe it could be something with the tunes. You guys definitely know more than me on this, so if any of you guys have any potential ideas, leave some comments down below. I'd love to hear your feedback. It definitely has like a growl, I would argue.
Yeah, this thing's nice, dude.
It's not loud though, but it has a good tone.
Really wish one of
It's different. It sounds different.
What, Cal?
It sounds different, and that's what my aim is.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa, wait. Whoa. Dude, it feels
quick.
It feels fast.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
From the passenger seat, it really does, yeah.
It feels really quick from the passenger seat.
You wanna do one more?
Sequential, baby. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it for this video. As a reminder, we will be at Spocom August 25th. The whole crew will be there, so be sure to come say what's up. We're gonna have a pop-up shop where we're gonna be hanging out with you guys all day. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Next, we definitely need to get the new exhaust piece for that car just to finish it off. It's gonna sound so good. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, and keep moving forward.
And I'm feeling